Okay, we're going to have a look at creating a template for parts on our clock. So here we've got a clock blank which we've cut out of MDF, and we're ready to add some more detail on it. So last time when we made the acrylic keyring, we used a letter template that was already cut out. What we're going to do here now is we're going to create our own templates. So here is a shape that I want to use for my clock design. So we've got this arrow motif. We're going to do some lettering later, but we're just going to use this arrow motif. Now the arrow motif has been cut out from gridded paper. Now we have this gridded paper here, and if we look at this, the grid is about approximately just about 1 centimetre. So what we can do is say, look at our clock, work out the size. So this example is about 12.5 centimetres. So if we measure this, we can see we want it about 12.5 centimetres. If we wanted a bigger one, we could decide that. Then we can take our gridded paper here, and we can work out by, if we want it 12 centimetres, if we start off here and we can count 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There is the length of our arrow. So perhaps this time we draw a different style of arrow. And if we count out equally, so there is our shape. I think you can see that. If I just go over it with a, might want to use a ruler for this. I'm just going to do it quite quickly. So there, we've created a template for a part of our clock. Once we've done that, it's quite a simple matter of cutting out the shape with a pair of scissors, and then taking the material we want to use. So here we've got some blue acrylic, and we can use a Sharpie pen and carefully draw around our shape so that we're ready to cut out. We can also use this grid, or I do have a slightly smaller grid here, this grid for creating the numbers for our clock as well. So for example, if we wanted to create a number 1 and a number 2, and there is so that would be our number 12, which we could again transfer to hips or transfer and cut out for our shape. So this is using the gridded paper to create our own templates for the parts of our individual clock.